What is going on, everyone? So we often say on this channel that R&B and Neo Soul guitar doesn't have to be difficult, and today we're gonna make a chord progression, a Lofi Neo Soul chord progression, just using a few chords. We're gonna have a look at the chord positions, we're gonna have a look at the rhythm, and then we're gonna be playing these chords on top of a lo-fi beat that I made for this video. So today I feel like playing the key of D flat major, okay? So D flat major 7 will be our 1, okay? And we're gonna play a 2-5-1 in D flat major. Well, that means that we're gonna be playing an E flat minus 7, but because we want that lo-fi Neo Soul vibe, we're gonna also include the 9th, so this is an E flat minor 9, and it's our 2, okay? Then we're gonna be playing an A flat 7, but again, we want to add some sauce, and we're gonna be doing A flat 7 13, okay, or A flat 13, however you want to call it, which is the same note as the 9th in the E flat minor 9. And then we're gonna go to D flat major 7, but again extended to the 9th, so D flat major 9. Okay, we're only gonna pluck the chords once each, and we're gonna count something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we are almost there. We just want to add a little embellishment. This embellishment is gonna be on the D flat major 9, where we create this hammer-on the G string with the little finger, okay, between a D flat 6-9 and a D flat major 9, okay, and on the beat number 4 of the same bar, just before going back, you know, to our E flat minor 9, we're gonna be playing a passing chord, and this passing chord is a D diminished 7th, and it only lasts for one beat, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, let's listen to the whole chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, this is a very simple chord progression. It might not tell you much yet, but let's play it along to the lo-fi beat that I made, and let's actually add a little bit of Neo Soul, lo-fi Neo Soul vibe to the guitar sound. Okay, guys, if you like this beat, it's gonna be on my Patreon page. So if you head to my Patreon page, you will find a tab and music notation of this chord progression that you can download, and also the beat that you will hear right now, you can download it as well, and it's gonna be yours if you want to create something, if you want to add something on top. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this Lofi Neo Soul Lofi beat and this jazzy chord progression to play on top. Remember that you can find the tab and the music notation as well as the backing track of this loop of this beat on my Patreon page. You will find the link in the description below. If you become a patron, you will support this channel and make sure that these lessons keep coming and you can use this beat. You will have the beat with the guitar, the bass and the sounds that I made, and you can add your own instruments, your own layers if you want to create your own Lo-Fi and Neo Soul beat starting from mine, or you can just use this as a backing track to practice some licks on top. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think about it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.